Check it out, everybody. Here we're at the Human Touch. It's got the nice couch here that you guys can sit down. It's got massaging seats down here, or massaging legs. It looks like the side panels looks like it massages you too. Locks you in. Pretty nice. You guys check it out. They have a lot of. We can go test it out. But this is the Human Touch. That's actually pretty futuristic. It looks like. Check it out. Yeah, I would like to have one of these at the house. And you can see the back also is moving around. And that's probably massaging your back. And then it tilts them. It's tilting, as you guys can see that. Yeah, check it out. That's pretty. It's not that big either. So it kind of looks like it's pretty good to put in just a room and it won't take too much space. Lots of colors available. Yeah, we might have to try one of these later on when we get tired from walking around.